Hi, in this video we will talk about parabolas and axis of symmetry. So it doesn't matter which type of parabola we have, the vertex is going to be h and k. So here we have both vertex form for a parabola opening up or down, and that's in the form of y equals. And here we have parabolas opening side to side or opening left, opening right, and it's going to be x equals. One thing that you can do to remember is if you have x squared, that means your parabola is going to open up or down. And if you have y squared, your parabola is going to open left or right. How do you know which direction? So if you have the a, or the leading coefficient, if a is positive or greater than 0, it's going to open up. If a is negative or less than 0, it's going to open down. Now, when you have x equals and a is negative, when a is negative, your parabola is going to open left. When a is positive, your parabola is going to open right. Right, left. Now, let's get to the point here. Axis of symmetry. So axis of symmetry is the line or the dotted line that goes through the vertex. Remember, the vertex is that point right there, and that point right there is HK. So your axis of symmetry goes through the vertex, cutting the parabola right in the middle. So that makes that parabola symmetric. The left and the right sides are symmetric. So the axis of symmetry in a parabola that opens up or down, it's x equals. So that's how you write the equation of a vertical line. X equals the h from the vertex. So x equals h from the vertex. And that works if your parabola opens up or down. It's still x equals h from the vertex. Now, if your parabola opens left or right, your equation for the axis of symmetry is going to be y equals, because y equals, that's the horizontal line. Y equals whatever number that is. In this case, is going to be k. Here we still have our vertex, h and k. And your axis of symmetry is the y equals k. K is the number right there from the vertex. Okay? So now we have only 2 examples. I know it's a lot of information, but we got this. So before we start doing anything, x equals, I know it's going to be a parabola that opens side to side. Now, because a is -5, when a is negative, I know this question right here, the parabola is going to open left. Okay, h is that number right there from the formula, so 2, and 7 right there, that's k. Notice that negative or that minus belongs to the formula. That doesn't make k -7, okay? So the vertex right here, vertex is still h and k. So h is 2, k is 7. I know from my cheat sheet right here from my chart that the axis of symmetry is going to be y equals k, and k I already know it's 7. So y equals k, k is 7, so y equals 7. The reason why I'm doing all of this is leading up to what we're doing next, which is focus and directrix of a parabola. So I don't have to do a whole video over this whole thing. I'm starting here. So A, H, K. Most of you are very familiar with this form. This form. This one, not so much, but this one you are. So A is -1/18. H is that right there, so -4, because 2 negatives make a positive. That minus is from the formula. And then plus 7, that's k right there. So vertex is h and k, h negative 4, k is 7. I know it's up and down, and I also know a is negative, so a is less than 0. When a is less than 0, parabola opens down, like this. Okay, so x is a symmetry. X equals h. H is negative 4. That's all for now.